guys, what's up? Serena Pia here from thriftiving.com, and this is day 24 of our 31-day October YouTube challenge. I can't believe I've made it so far. Well, today we're not talking projects and we're not talking about home buying. We're actually talking about pressure washing. You know why? Because if your house is like mine, the driveway gets really nasty, the sidewalk looks gross, and a lot of times you don't even realize it because it's just part of the ground, right? Well, you're gonna get to see what it looks like before. I'm gonna show you the pressure washing, and then you'll get to see how it looks after. It's gonna look amazing. So I don't have much time before the kids come home, so we gotta get this party started. We're gonna start by blowing the leaves first, and then we'll follow up with this Mama Jamma, because I'm ready. So now that we have all of the leaves picked up, we are ready to connect the hose and turn the water on. So let's go ahead and connect this. Guess we can tighten that up. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. That is what a pressure washer does. That's the after and that's the before. You can see just how much it blasts it. Look. I mean, that is so cool. Woo! Very cool. Nice and bright and white. You remember we had all that gunk, that sidewalk gunk, but it's not there anymore. Looks fantastic. Look at that. Now I just need to trim the bushes. So finally, we have gotten to the part that I could not wait to pressure wash, and that is the big paint stain in my driveway. So let's see if we can get this thing up. Okay guys, well, it has been a couple of hours and we still have another small section to do. We are quickly losing light. It's already 6 p.m. so we need to move quick. I think I just spent about 20 minutes doing art with the pressure washer in the driveway. All right guys, there you have it. It took me about 3 hours to pressure wash the entire driveway and the sidewalk. That's probably why I only do it once a year, because it takes forever. But as you can see, the results are amazing, and I'm just glad that I got it done just in time for fall. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, support this channel, and be sure to go back to thriftiving.com, enter your name and email, and I will send you right to your inbox 5 checklists, printables, everything to get you started with DIY. So if you like this project, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next video.